Is your boy Keno. I have with me these special people. They are one family, they are friends, and we are here live in Denver, downtown Colorado. And you guys know I am out here teaching people how to speak Igbo language, representing Igbo people, representing Nigeria, and representing Africa. Can you please introduce yourself to my fans?
Oh, yeah. My name is Susant, and I'm from Nepal.
Hi, I'm Ashmita. I'm from Nepal as well.
Hi, my name is Tulsa and I'm also from Nepal.
How long have you guys been in Denver, Colorado?
This is our first day. We just drove from Texas this morning, and we just got here.
Wow.
Yeah, we're loving the city by far.
Wow. So, how was the trip?
It was exhausting, but once we got here, it all paid off.
So, how is Texas?
In terms of weather, it's pretty hot, but the weather over here is pretty good. We see mountains and hills and valleys. So yeah, that would be the biggest difference in terms of weather and the landscape.
Do you have Nigerian friends in Texas?
I used to play soccer with a few of them, but I have a Nigerian football player that I like the most.
Which is who?
Bukayo Saka from Arsenal. He's my favorite because I'm a big-time Arsenal fan.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Nice.
I support Nigeria in terms of soccer. You know.
Wow, thank you so much. No problem. You have Nigerian friends?
I have colleagues, so I have a couple of colleagues from Nigeria.
Oh, what about you?
I used to have a roommate.
Oh, was she good to you?
Yeah,
was
yeah,
she
she
nice?
was, yeah.
Oh, nice. So shout out to all Nigerian people out there. You guys are amazing. And shout out to Bukayo Saka, to all the Arsenal fans. You could have your person here. So Arsenal, we love you guys. First and foremost, we're gonna say Kedu ka unu mere.
Oh wow, that's a mouthful.
One more time. One at a time.
Keduka unumere. Is that
Okay, that's good.
Keduka unumere.
Keduka unamari?
Kedu ka unu mere means how are you guys doing? Okay, so we're gonna say another one. You say Chukwu gozie unu.
Kugoji uno?
Chukugazi uno.
Chuku gaji uno.
Exactly. So that means God bless you all. You're gonna say Afambo. Then you're gonna call your name. It means my name is. Then you now call your name. Okay.
Afombo Susant.
Afombo Ashmita.
Afambo Tulsa.
Okay. You guys have heard their name, and they have special name, and they look great, right? Because of the Arsenal fans, so Arsenal guys, you guys have to do your best. You know. Tell my fans to follow me and subscribe with me.
Oh yeah, he's doing God's work, to be honest, interacting with people. Has a lovely personality, so I would definitely hope you guys could subscribe to his channel and keep supporting him.
Thank you.
How do we say how to support you in Nigerian?
Kwadono.
Kodono.
Why don't know him?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.